Hey, today I will show you the horizontal handspin. So grab your hoop, and this is how you enter the trick. Whenever you're up there, you want to push the hoop with the base of your pinky finger. This is how the movement of the entrance looks without the hoop. And this is how it looks from the other side. So let's go for it, and when you want to stop, you simply draw it down, following the circular motion and the direction of your hoop. When you want to stop it, you have to actually catch it or go for a body break. So you want to tap the hoop on the edge of your body, on the side of your body. Now let's check out how it is to extend the arm a little higher or go just above your head. Do your research here. Then try turning with the hoop. Go the same direction as your hoop, or try going both of them. So the opposite as well works.